Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Giddy up, be like. 1. Adventure won't wait. Reason every journey starts with one step. 2. Let's ride into the great day. Reason a positive attitude makes the trip more fun. 3. Saddle up. It's go time. Reason being prepared makes adventure smoother. 4. Faster than my Monday motivations. Reason some days need extra energy. 5. The finish line won't chase itself. Reason progress comes from taking actions. 6. Hop on. We're making memories. Reason good times are better together. 7. No time for snooze mode. Reason opportunities don't wait forever. 8. Full speed after my snack break. Reason a little fuel helps. 9. Every turtles can giddy up. Reason everyone has their own pace. 10. Let's ride towards our goals. Reason small efforts lead to big achievements. 11. Dust off those boots. Reason every new day is a fresh start. 12. The trail looks exciting. Reason new experiences helps us grow. 13. Yeehaw! Time to shine. Reason confidence makes the journey brighter. 14. Ready, set, giddy up. Reason starting is often the hardest part. 16. 1 hour at a time. Reason big goals are reached step by step. 17. Adventure cold, I answered. Reason trying new things is rewarding. 18. Keep calm and giddy up. Reason staying positive helps overcome challenges. 19. The road ahead looks promising. Reason every path offers new opportunities. 20. Today's forecast, 100% chance of adventure. Reason a little excitement makes the day fun. 21. Let's move at a steady, moderate pace before we gallop. Reason learn first, then speed up. 22. My GPS says keep going. Reason persistence keep you moving forward. 23. Every ride has a story. Reason experiences become a great memories. 24. Yeehaw! Confidence unlock. Reason believing in yourself makes a difference. 25. The journey is half the fun. Reason enjoy the process, not just the result. 26. Boots on, worries off. Reason a positive mindset helps. 27. The best view comes after the ride. Reason hard work often brings rewarding moments. 28. Let's make today legendary. Reason every day is a chance to create great memories. 29. Reach with courage and a smile. Reason kindness is confidence and go a long way. 30. The next adventure is waiting. Reason life is full of exciting possibilities. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.